Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove objects from photos on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So first of all, we're gonna open the gallery and let's choose a picture that we want to edit. So let's say I have this picture over here and I want to remove this QR code over here. Now I need to press this pen icon over here at the bottom. And after that, you want to switch to the last icon on the right side here with those 4 circles and then choose Object Eraser. Now after that, we can select the area that we want to erase. There we go. And then we should see the outline of the object that can be removed and then press erase. Now let's wait a second and there we go. The object is done. The object is gone, sorry. We can press done and then we can either save or we can press these 3 dots in the top right corner and save as copy instead so that we don't lose the original. And there we go. As you can see, here is the difference. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!